So I have a thought, and I want to share it with you guys. So I'm going to try to figure out where I can find some like snack bags that are Ziploc ones, and then I'm going to start saving some of our seeds and label them. I thought I was videoing when I walked up the driveway, got over by my Explorer, and there was a snake in the driveway, a little one. So I followed it, and it went right over to those rocks over there, but I thought I was recording it, and then when I looked down, I didn't push record, so I didn't get that, but I just want to show you guys this. I'm just need to watch where I'm walking so I don't step on anything. So this is my white hollyhock. Beautiful. I've got a pink one, and then I've got this other little white one right here trying to bloom, but then I got all these right there. This was a white one too, and I got all these right there. Obviously I'll have some right here, but it's got a bloom right there, and it's got a couple down there. Then this one right here has got a pink one coming on, but it's also got a seed, and I definitely want to save those. Now I've got a black one right here that hopefully next year it'll come quicker, and I think these are white too, or possibly pink. I'm not sure. I can't remember what I picked. And then I put my little ones that I grew from seed down here on the edge. So we'll see what color those end up being too. Then I'm trying to look to see. My eyes have gotten better, but not, if that makes sense, for my clone flowers. So obviously there's seeds there. There'll be seeds on these. But there should have been, I don't know why. I have all this other stuff coming up. I thought I put a roll right here of ones that I grew and put there, but I don't see them. Oh. One day this will be nice and flourished with flowers and everything. And I was told that hollyhocks are supposed to be like, this has got some type of disease going on it. Sun, but they seem to do okay in the shade. This only gets very minimum sun, and that's like when it's right over the top of us, and if it's right there coming through. Other than that, this doesn't get in. This is mainly a shade bed. There should have been, let's see if the ducks didn't weigh down on them, a little zinnia right there. There's another one trying. I plant a roll of zinnias through here, but that's all that came up. And then the darn ducks have smashed down these are mammoth mums. My mammoth mums there and there. I had them all along here, but some of them didn't come up. They died. But yeah, there's that. Flowers. This is a new flower bed that I started this year. I pulled up our hostas, and that is a bee balm, a pink one, or red, I should say. It's like I guess a marble color, like a bright red. Then there's 4 foxgloves in here, 2 pink and 2 white, I think, is what I end up with. But I want to get some other colors too and be able to add possibly to that bed and then to this bed out here and maybe to that bed up there. But we're just going to come along here to the flower beds and see what we have going on. This one gets probably about 3 to 4 hours shade, or not shade, but sun, from when it peaks here and goes over. Now it will have more sun when we take down that cherry tree, and there's a cherry tree there that's going to come down because my husband just don't like the way they look. But we'll come into here and see what we got going on. I was hoping to see if that one would sprout. I can't believe how long these last. This has like been open for weeks. And that beautiful one, and then this one's starting to come open, and you got this pretty one down there. And then you got this beautiful red one, and then you got another one gonna bloom, and then these ones look like they're gonna bloom. You got this pretty white one, and then it's got blooms off of it. Oh, jeez, almost fell. Try not to step on them. There's one, and there's another one. That's two different colors on the same plant. I didn't even know they could do that. Then you have this one, that one, and this one. Sounds like my husband's here. This one. And look at this beautiful plant. That and that. And there's one gonna bloom. Another one will bud, and another bud and bud. There's another. I love that color. There's some little ones. Some Susan's daisies, and here's some more. Another red one. Some more that are just gonna open up. And there is another flower there. What happened? There we go. A hibiscus. Oh, and there's a yellow one. It's got a yellow one on it. I don't think I could walk over there. And then my coneflowers through here that I planted from seed. I don't know what color they are. We'll have to see next year. And then some of my hollyhocks that I planted there from seed. This one will come in pretty well next year, hopefully. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come this way. And then we'll walk down so we can go to the next flower bed. And I am going to have some flower beds in my new garden area when that comes to light. Whenever that ends up being. Like I said, it's probably not going to happen next year because we got to get the back done first before I can do this as a garden. And then I'm going to need a lot more beds. I've got a wish list that I'm creating on Amazon that I need to update and put in my description link. But it's got some beds in there too that I would like. Just a few things, you know. And my husband stopped at my mother-in-law's again. Got some more apples she picked up for the horses. Let's pick on my husband a little bit. I see you decided to come home.
Huh?
I said I see you decided to come home.
Decided to come home?
Yeah.
Well, I'm not going to sit here and feed both of you.
Well, that's because you spoil everybody. Look at Jill. Jill. Hi, honey. What you doing? Huh? Look at her gut. You've got a little round belly on you, girl. Yeah, you do. You've got a little round belly on you, girl. Yes, you do. Come here. You gonna let me pet you? Or are you gonna be shy? Are you gonna be shy? You gonna let me pet you, or are you gonna be shy? She says you gotta reach for me. Here's the last bed. See, and there's a pink one there. I'm gonna make sure to grab these ones too. And those. These yellow ones I think are pretty. I'm just gonna grab as much as I can, flower-wise, so I can definitely have a mixture. This is one that my mother-in-law got me. This one right here is yellow, I think, because she got me that one. She got me 2 yellow ones, but it has this one in it too. I think that's pretty. Oh no, my rock fell off. Come on, get up there. There we go. It must fall back down. So I put some more cone flowers out here. This does get some light. I'm trying to see if I can see them, which I can't. I put some, a couple hollyhocks out here too, but I don't see them. Oh, right there's some right there, and right there. But is that a hollyhock right there? It looks like it. My other one must didn't take. Maybe.
Now's the time to hop a ride if you want one.
Yeah.
Or you're gonna be left behind.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I love you.
That's right, really.
Okay, let's go for a ride then. We'll take them along with us.
Go for a ride.
Yeah.
I'm hungry.
Well, that's all right, because our chicken's done.
Yes, great.
Yep. The air fryer just shut off a little bit ago. They're homegrown chickens. Okay, everybody. It's gonna be a bumpy ride.
They could have my driving.
Sure it is. It's the driveway.
Yeah, the driveway, not my driving.
Well, it's your bumpy truck.
Oh, with that. Oh.
You did that on purpose.
Maybe.
You tried to throw me off.
If I wanted to throw you off, you'd be off.
Probably.
No problem. 100%.
Yeah, but you wouldn't do that. Because you love me.
Camps if we're rolling around.
Right. Beautiful. That's some good backing up in there, mister.
Yeah, mister.
Well, thank you everybody for watching. Please subscribe if you're new. Thank you to all the new subscribers. And we'll see everybody tomorrow. Till next time. God bless.